Hi, it's Candyland. Yum, yum, yum. Today I have the Gummy Choco. Let's open that up and see if it's going to be yummy. Ooh. Okay, I have 3 different flavors. Orange, the muscat, and the strawberry. Let's taste the strawberry first and see what it's going to taste like. Very chewy, very tasty. That's pretty good. Let's taste the orange one. The orange one doesn't have a strong flavor of orange, but it's yummy. It's very chewy. You know, it's not a hard candy. I really like it. Very tasty. And now the muscat. I really like it. That's it. Meiji Company Gummy Choco. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.